Welcome to ST Academy. Today we are going to discuss about TSAP Intermediate Exam 2021 important questions of Math 2B SAQ questions for 4 marks. LAQ question has been given in the description. Click on the description, click the link for all LAQ questions of 2B. Before starting the video, I would like to tell you please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. In our next video, we will also keep that we will give you the important questions of BSCQs for 2B for both the state, TS and AP. Let us start the video. The first chapter, it is a very important chapter, it is circles. First question is find the length of chord intercepted by the circles. Second is the midpoint of the chord intercepted by the circles with the lines. Two lines are given. Next is if the abscissa of a point AB are the roots of the equations, the x square plus 2x minus b square equals to 0. Ordinates of AB are the roots are given. Find the equation of the circle. Find the value of k is given and conjugate with respect to circle if a point P is moving such that the length of tangent drawn from P to circles. Next is find the pole 3x plus 4y minus 45 equals to 0 with respect to the circle. Next is find the length of chord by the circle. Another one is next question for the length of chord for the intercepted on the line. Next is find the equation of a circle which center is given which touches the y-axis. Find the equation of a circle whose center lies on x-axis. Next is find the equation of a circle which passes through points having the center. This question can ask for LAQ as well as for SAQ. Find the equation of tangent is given. Find the equation of other tangent parallel to it. Find the equation of a tangent to the circle parallel to the line. Find the locus of P if the tangent drawn from P to circle x square plus y square is equals to a square perpendicular to each other. Find the angle of tangent between tangent drawn from 3, 2 the circle. These are very important questions of circle that definitely fetch you maximum marks for this chapter. Let us go to the next chapter. It is very important chapter, system of circles. If the first question is if the angle between the circle is given, you need to find out the value of k. Show that the circles touch each other internally, find their point of contact. Find the equation of a circle passes through 0, minus 3 and intercept the circle given by the equation orthogonally. Find the equation of the length of the common chord of the circles. Radical center, very important question. Find the equation of a circle with orthogonal to given circles. Find the angle of the circles given by the equation. Next is show that the angle between the circles is 3 pi by 2. Find the equation of a radical axis, very important question. Next is find the equation of a circle which cuts orthogonally the circle. Find the equation of a circle passing through the intersection of the point of the circle is given. If two circle, very important question is given, touch each other, show that f dash g equals to f g dash. Next chapter is very important chapter for 4 marks, that is ellipse. Find the equation of ellipse with focus is given, eccentricity is given, directrix is given. Find the length of a major axis, minor axis, lattice, spectrum, eccentricity. 4 key equation of directrix of ellipse is a very important question that definitely give you maximum marks. Next is find the eccentricity, 4 key equation of the directrix of the equation. After that, find the eccentricity of a 4 key length of lattice spectrum. Find the eccentricity coordinates of 4 key of the ellipse. If the length of lattice spectrum and ellipse is equal half of its minor axis, find the eccentricity of the ellipse. S and T are the 4 key of the ellipse, and B is the B is the one of the end of the minor axis. If STB is an equilateral triangle, then find the eccentricity of the ellipse. Hyperbola is a very important chapter for 4 marks. Find the eccentricity, 4 key equation of the directrix, length of lattice rectum of the hyperbola. Find the 4 key eccentricity equation of the directrix of the hyperbola. Next is find the center, 4 key lattice rectum. Next, third question, fourth question, fifth and sixth. These are very important questions. Practice this question to get maximum marks from this chapter. Next is definite integrals. Is a very important chapter. I have listed the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 problem. Like this kind of problems you are getting, practice this kind of problem, because the definite integration, it gives more marks. 4 marks is a very important chapter. Practice this one, definitely it will give you maximum marks in the board exam. Next is differential equation, also I have given. Normally, see, if you ask me that why you have given only 5 questions, like this kind of, if you can do these 5 questions, easily any kind of question will ask you, definitely you can do it. Next, there is one more question. Suppose for here, sine power phi x is there, and sine power phi x plus cos phi x is there. There is one more question, cos, same question like this. So cos phi by 2x and sine phi by 2x, cos phi by 2x. You can check in your reader, you will find that one. Instead of sine, you will find cos phi by 2, sine phi by 2, and cos pi by 2. So you like this kind of question, if you practice, that definitely give you 4 marks from this chapter. Next is the very important chapter, that is differential equations. Here I am giving you differential equations. I have given 1 2 3 4 5 questions, and you are asking me why you have given a very less question from a definite integral. Like this kind of problems, if you are able to do this problem, any kind of question if they ask, definitely you can answer. Try to practice like this kind of problem more and more. Definitely you will get good marks from the definite integration and differential equation. These are the very important chapters. All the SAQs I have given. Try your level best, practice more and more, do focus. Mostly what happens, most hyperbola, ellipse, and system of circles and circles I have given. These are the very important chapters that give you maximum marks. Try your level best. And for TS and AP, TS student, you are lucky people nowadays. Why? Because you got 50% extra choice. So TS, if you practice this all, and AP student, if you practice this all, that definitely fetch you maximum marks. If you have any doubt regarding, in our next video we will also uh, put the important questions of VSCQs, most important VSCQs questions for 2B. And I request all the students that ST Academy is your academy. I request you share all the videos, whatever you are watching, like the video, share the video, because we people are working hard to give you most of the most important questions, and we are trying our level best to give limited questions that will be very helpful for you to get maximum marks. Our academy, our team is working hard only for you people. If you people can want to support us, you can only support by sharing and liking the video. That definitely work as appreciation to us. I request all the students of MPC, please share, subscribe, and like our videos. That give a appreciation to us, that can help work as appreciation, that definitely helpful for us. I request you share all the videos whatever you are watching on STA Academy, and we are going to release 2A as soon as possible. After that we will also release the English important annotation questions. Thanks for watching, and all the videos of physics and chemistry, LAQs, SAQs, VSCQs of physics and chemistry is given on our channel. You can check and you can practice those questions. Thank you very much.